Hi! In front of me is iPhone 14 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this smartphone. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and select one of your apps over here. I will go with Maps. Then click on one of those options under Allow Maps to Access, like Location, and select one of those options. Never ask next time or when I share or while using the app. So when I click on Never and go back, as you can see, Maps no longer have access to my device's location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!